Introducing the all-new 2025 Aston Martin Vantage Roadster, a perfect blend of breathtaking design and sheer power. Under the hood, the Vantage Roadster boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 656 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, a massive boost over its predecessor. This beast can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and hit a top speed of 202 miles per hour. Aston Martin's engineering prowess shines with the Z-folding roof, which opens or closes in just 6.8 seconds, even at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, making it the fastest of its kind. Inside, luxury meets technology with an 11-speaker audio system, and for audiophiles, an optional Bowers and Wilkins upgrade. However, the real music comes from that roaring V8. With Michelin Pilot Sport S 5 tires and adaptive suspension, the Vantage Roadster offers a driving experience tailored to perfection. Aston Martin has created a convertible that not only looks stunning but also delivers unmatched performance and comfort. Get ready for the ultimate open-top driving experience with the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage Roadster, arriving in Q2 this year. Are you ready to take the wheel? For more details, visit Aston Martin's official website, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on this automotive masterpiece.